มันก็สาวคิดว่าอะไรก็ตัวไหน Street foods at Tonlesa. Here. Look at all. This is the farmer chickens. You see here, so nice. Everyone, have a look all this. Look how they like so much. All of this food. Yeah, look at all. Wow. So delicious food. Delicious food. Here, you see, everyone. So very busy town. Busy town. You see.
What you want?
Anything they sell. We have shrimp. We have white shrimp. We have the fresh shrimp. Wow, so special. The dark age. See the dark age. Wow. Okay. Busy this evening at Siem Reap. This location that we call Phnom Krom Mountain. Everyone they come to buy any foods. Yeah, look at all. Wow. Mình biết mình cờ saoคิดว่าอะไรก็ตัวไหน